Elevate your educational and visa application journey with our expert consulting services. Unlock your potential and secure your future. Are you ready to embark on an exciting educational adventure abroad? Look no further. At IVS Consultant, we specialize in making your dreams come true. Discover the world of opportunities. Let us guide you through every step of the way, ensuring a meticulous evaluation of your educational prospects. We're here to turn your aspirations into reality. Our premier services include guided academic program selection across various fields, tailored to your interests and goals. Streamlined visa application processing, making paperwork a breeze. Financial guidance and support, help you manage your budget wisely. Project management from inception to completion, ensuring a smooth journey. Meet our expert consultants. Our seasoned consultants are masters at navigating the intricacies of educational solutions. With their expertise, you'll be on the path to success in no time. Your dreams, our priority. We are fully committed to guiding you toward a new world where your educational visions and goals are realized. Your journey begins here. Let us help you turn your dreams into tangible achievements. Get in touch with us today and simplify your educational and visa application processes. Your journey towards educational excellence starts here. Contact us now at Seek Guidance from our experts. +92 330 402 7772 and take the first step towards your bright future. Office 311, 3rd floor Century Tower, Karma Chowk Flyover Gulberg Lahore, Pakistan. Feel free to write us. Support at ivcsb.com. Visit our website, www.4cp.com.